Guys, Barry here, and I was telling you about this software in an email yesterday, and I don't know if you bought it or not, but I just noticed today that the deal is going to end in, if I can get to it, I don't know how you get to that bit there, but the deal ends in like 2 weeks. So what I decided to do was to quickly buy it. I hadn't bought it before. I just spotted it, like I said before, because somebody asked me about this very thing. So I'm going to buy it now, and I've got it in my checkout over here, and I'm going to buy it, and I'm going to run through it and just intuitively see what it will do live on video. So kind of like a digital unboxing. So I'm going to go to the checkout now and buy this, and then I'll come back when I've logged into it for the very first time. Okay, so I have completed my purchase, and here I am in the dashboard. I have opened up the tutorials, but I haven't looked at them, so I'm just going to go blind on this, okay? So first of all, you can see that I've just got the basic plan. So I've got 10 a month. If it works out good, I can upgrade it, but you can only upgrade while the deal is still active. And as I mentioned before, it's only active for the next 2 weeks. So if you want to go test it with those 10 blog posts and then you think, hey, this is something I'm going to use quite a bit, you can go back and upgrade to the next tier, which I think is $119. So the difference is about $50, $60, right? So you can do that. One thing I did notice is this nice growth hacking thing here that they've got, and you can earn some extra bonus blogs just by doing a review on and that sort of thing. So I went and did a like on Facebook, and you upload a screenshot, and that gave me 2 bonus blogs. Not monthly, but 2 extra ones, I think. And so you can get quite a few more here by doing this malarkey, but whether you want to bother with that, I don't know. So anyway, to test it out, I went and found a really good YouTube video, and this is from Mike Gaston. If you don't know Mike, he does some great videos, and they are, you can learn a lot. This one's about 25 minutes long and is going on about SEO being dead in 2024 and what you can do about it. Okay, so let's say I found this video and I want to make a article about it or make it into a PDF. I want to give attribution back to Mike, though, at the same time, because I don't want to just nick his content. If it was my video, I I just would just go with it. But because it's not my video, I want to make sure that I'm going to attribute that back. So I'm going to copy this and help Mike a little bit probably as well in some small way. So let's create a blog and see what we can do. So we enter in uh, YouTube link and it's found it. So now we can look at these extra things down here that we've got. Okay, so let's add some visuals. So I'm going to embed the video because, like I say, I want to, it's Mike's content, not mine, so I want to give him that credit. If I didn't do that, that's fine because it's going to create because Mike stuck it out there in the public domain, out in the public domain, and I can use AI to talk about the same topics. He's got no copyright on the topics he's talking about. It's just copyright on his work, I guess. So if I just wanted to write a blog post that was completely different to that, just taking the stuff out of the video that he talks about, then I think I'm okay to do that. But I'm just playing it this way, and I want to show how it works anyway. So I'm going to add screenshots as well. That's screenshots of the video. I don't think that'll add very much because it's just a talking head video. Or I can add stock images. Okay, so I'll tell you what, let's add stock images in this one. If it was a video that was showing something, demonstrating something, it would be different. But this one's just a talking head video, so I don't think it makes that much difference. I'm going to make this for you guys, and I'm going to add links, right? So include links from description. Now, I don't know what his links are down here in his description. Okay, so he's got his own website and his own newsletter. Now, I dare say I can edit these so I can send people to his website if they want to read more. So I'm going to include links, and I'm going to include a call to action. Okay, so this is cool, right? This is brilliant. So in your PDF or in your blog post, it will add a call to action that will look like this. Okay, so I'm going to add a call to action. I'm going to pause the video. I'm going to add a call to action, which is about this product. Okay, so bear with me. Okay, so I've added in a title. This article was created by AI from the video Automagically. And then a little bit of a subtext for the call to action, then the button. And I've put the link in here. Lots of options I can do here for this, but I'm just going to keep it as that. And I'm just going to put add. Okay, so I've got in here so far links. I've got stock images, and I'm embedding the video. Let's see what the more options are. Okay, so here's where we get into the really good stuff. All right, so the length, short. I'm going to make it long, okay, because it's a long video. It's half an hour video. So the language auto. I like this thing where it's auto. I don't have to worry about it. Tone. Um, so I can choose from all of this, right? I'm just going to leave that on auto and point of view. Use this to tell AI which point of view to write the blog from. Oh, I see. I'm going to leave that as auto as well. These are things that you can adjust, and you might really want to do this. Is SEO dead? Is my keyword. I don't know whether that's a good keyword. I haven't done the keyword research, but if you have, that's where you stick it. Do I want a table of contents? Why not? Let's chuck it in. I don't want FAQs. I think I'm going to leave that alone. Uh, Format for the blog structure. Um, okay, so I'm going to leave that as audio. It doesn't. It's basically you can do. Obviously, if it's a summary, an interview, a listicle, product review, it's the type of article. Use chapters as outline. What does that mean? When enabled, the chapters in the YouTube video will be used as an outline. I don't think there are any in it. Shall I use emojis? Let's not bother. Speaker labels, no. Time range, all. Right? And then it's got this. I don't know what this does. Ah, I see. So this will probably this is basically telling them if there's something missing that I feel that they should add in. Okay, I think I'm done with that, and now I'm just going to click create blog, and I'll pause the video and come back when it's done its stuff. Okay, and we have an article. Hey, look at this. So it's put my keyword right at the top. Is SEO dead? Understanding the future of search in 2024. That's not so bad. Here's the video that's embedded that I asked for it to be embedded, if you remember. Um, and the introduction, the question on every marketer's mind is SEO dead? As we move into 2024, this is kind of like a bit old now, maybe. Probably picked the wrong video, but you can just kind of change this. You can put in there 2025 and put 2025 in there, because you can obviously edit this. So I could just go like that. I can't do anything about the video, but I can just do that. Table of contents. They're not clickable on here, but I think they are clickable when I export it. Okay. So introduction and a brief history of SEO. If I wanted to bold this up, I can do like that. Now we're getting down to the images now by the seam of things, and I haven't got a clue what this image has got to do with anything. I've got other images, right? So I'm going to select that one, and that appears further down, I think, as well, because these are images that are um, in this article. It doesn't seem to bold these and these H3s, but it doesn't really matter, I suppose. I'll just do them as I go down. So reading, I'm speed reading it as I am. I don't know what that means. Okay, there's the image again, so I'm going to change that one for that one. I don't know what that means, what that is. Some people looking at a computer in white coats. I don't think that's really what we want. Um, I can select another one by clicking this. This is interesting. So it's going to search for another stock image here. So I'm going to choose that one. Okay, that's better. Understanding Google's business model. Let's bold that up. It's generic photo. That's okay. I like the fact it gives attribution. Um, I'm speed reading it, right? But I think it's actually reading quite well as I quickly read it in, as I'm going down it. Um, I don't like this image. Let's see if we can find another one, a robot one. That'll do that one there. Okay, that's good. Okay, so the mistake of relying on AI for SEO. I don't know what that means there, but I'm going to change that image out. No, that's not it either. I don't know whether this is a lot of work or not. What do you think, guys? I think that generally it saved me a whole bunch of time. And I'm getting a really, really nice blog post here or PDF. Um, it's quite detailed. There's a lot of depth in here. I don't mind that image. That's good. People sitting there. That's good. Strategies for moving forward. Build your own audience. Invest in outbound marketing. Diversify your channels. Your own relationship. I'm liking this. I think this is great. I don't know what this has got to do with anything. Let's just pick a different picture here. Building an audience. Oh, I see what they're doing. Um, let's call it search email marketing and see what that comes up with. We can choose one of these, can't we? Let's choose that one. That's better. Okay, and there's audience, outbound marketing, social media. That's good. I'm liking it. I really, this is a really in-depth. Um, there's another H3 that isn't bolded, but I can live with this really. I don't know why I started doing that. It's created a job for myself, haven't I? Conclusion and call to action. Okay, so I would just say conclusion. I don't want call to action, and I'll put three dots there. This image can go, obviously. Let's put a call to action. See what it's done there? Call to action. That's funny. Businessman. Click the search. Right, let's have him. Could have chosen a lady, but I just did that. And there's my uh, call to action at the bottom with the link, with the nice button. So let's see what we can do with this. Oh, hang on, what's this? Content Analyzer. What's that? Wow, look at that. That's cool. That is blog is written at 8th, 9th grade reading level. The blog appears to be written by AI. Yeah, it was, but we can humanize it. Oh, no, that was wrong. This will rewrite your blog in an attempt to bypass AI detectors. Take a couple of minutes. Okay, I'm going to do that after I've done this video, just to see how it changes. But this is cool. Look at this. Tells us all about. My keyword's not in there enough, obviously. It's a weird one to fit in. That's pretty cool. What else have we got here? Okay, got the images, download the images. AI content detector, we've seen that already. So that's pretty cool, all that stuff. So if I click on export now, I've got loads of choices. Look at this. I've got a public link, so I can just share it. I'm going to copy that. Oh, fireworks. How cool. I'm going to copy that and have a look at it in a minute. In fact, why don't we have a look at it now in the background here? Let bang it on. Nice, nice. Okay, that's because I'm logged in, I think. I wouldn't want everybody getting that. Where have I gone? Here. So I can download it in HTML, text markdown, which is great for if you want to put it on something like a blog or something like that. I can export it as a Word doc, useful. If you want to edit it and make it look pretty, a PDF, which is what I am most interested in. And look at this, I can automatically upload it to WordPress, Medium, or any of these other things here, WordPress.com or Blogger, Ghost, whatever that is. And I can share it on social media right in here, right? How cool is that? So I'd probably set up my blog on here and export it automatically. Once I'm happy with it, export it automatically to my blog. Job done. I don't have to think about it. Brilliant. Okay, so I'm going to bring it out as a PDF. So it's going to create a PDF for me. Let's have a look at what that PDF looks like, shall we? Now, while it's doing that, I thought that this would be brilliant for Kevin Fahey's thing, that fresh thing that he's brought out, where you basically are putting it's a directory of fireworks again, of pre-selling reports that this is brilliant at making. I think that this actually will make it better than the thing that's in Kevin's, the prompts that he uses in ChatGPT. Plus the fact you've got all of this other stuff where you can optimize it. I think this is really, really good. So let's open this and see what it looks like. Oh, I like it. It didn't bring over quite rightly, it didn't bring over the video. But this looks nice, doesn't it? Hey, I like the font. I like the font size. Ah, yeah, that is a smart PDF. That really is looking good. Now, obviously, if I wanted to do it, would I bother bringing that into a Word document and adding a page at the front with a cover graphic? I don't think I would. I think this is good enough as it is. So anyway, that is my little test. I've not read any tutorials or anything on this, and you can see I've got great results without doing any of that. So it's dead easy to use. It's on a lifetime deal at Appsumo at the moment for the next 2 weeks. So you do need to grab it quickly if you want to get that deal. Otherwise, I don't think it's ever so expensive on a monthly basis either, but it certainly seems to do a really good job. So I'm going to have another little play with it, and I'll drop down the finished PDF below this video somewhere so you can actually download it and check it out for yourself. Okay, bye for now.